Hope you're having a good day. I'm TR Rose, and I am late to the game. So, let's talk Princess Peach Showtime. The game's out, and it's so cute, and I love what they did with it. And I'm honestly really impressed with all of the cool promotional materials we've gotten for the game. So, for example, Kung Fu Tea has these adorable little crown-shaped straw caps and little miniature tote bag as a promotional item for the game. Love that. A line of themed drinks that go with it. Really fun. If you use My Nintendo, you can trade some of your points for this set of 3 different really cool folders that have artwork from the games. I think that's really fun. Had to grab those right away. But to be completely honest, I'm kind of disappointed in the lack of merch for the game. I was hoping for something like some collectible action figures, or, wish list here, a line of fashion dolls where you can dress Peach up in all her different transformations, or maybe some plushies, at least based around some of the outfits that are in all of the promotional stuff. But we haven't gotten anything like that. In fact, all we've really gotten as far as merch is that in Japan, there are 2 plushies that you can only win in a crane game, and they're not exactly what I had in mind. They're cute, but that's not really what I was hoping for. So, I make plush. Why not try my hand at making my own? Now, I have made custom Peach dolls before, but these were based around an existing pattern, and I kind of retrofitted it to turn it into Peach. I want something a little different this time around. What I would like to make is a doll based around Princess Peach Showtime, but that's the same size and form factor as the All-Star Series plush. I would love to have this one sit on the shelf right next to ones from the Princess Peach Showtime game. But there's no pattern available for this design, so I went on eBay and I bought a bootleg.
So here you can see my fakey Peach plush, fresh from eBay. You can tell the embroidery on the face isn't quite as cute, and she's got that telltale French fry hair. So if you are sensitive to such things, I'm going to recommend that you skip ahead to the next chapter in this video, because I'm going to use my trusty seam ripper and I'm going to disassemble this plush to get some pattern pieces. To keep all my pieces straight, I traced them on colored construction paper. And then, before I cut them out, I made sure that everything was symmetrical. I also kept all the stuffing that was in the original bootleg plush, and I used that when stuffing my finished plush.